We as humans have this strange fallacy about happiness. We treat happiness almost like a reward. We say we can be happy when I achieve that 100k subscribers on YouTube, or when I hit that 100k mark on Instagram, or when I publish those books, or when I get into those big four consulting firms, or when I get as wealthy as my neighbor or my friend. But in fact, happiness is a state of mind. It is something that we deserve to experience in every moment, in every day of our life. It is in fact a choice and not a reward. I'm not going to sit here and pretend to be not human and say all these things to you. But what really helps is if we start looking at happiness as a state of mind and thinking of our lives as finite. We only have a finite number of days. So we can either choose to compare ourselves to someone else, think of happiness as a reward, and only those days when I get it all, only in those moments that I get it, I should be happy. Or I can choose to be happy every single day. Just navigating through the experiences that are thrown at me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content.